Good morning, my friend. Today is a new day, and we're going to do a sunrise flow, or just basically a flow to help us open up the body, open up our awareness in the day. So let's get to it and see you on the mat. So let's begin by bringing our leg up, and we're going to cradle it and just open up the hip. So just saying good morning to our leg, good morning to our feet. You can massage your feet, be thankful for your feet. You're going to be doing a lot today, so you gotta warm them up and open them up. And then let's take the opposite leg and then warm this one up too. You gotta remember to do both sides. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Maybe you want to get in between the toes and then the ankles. Good. And then let's bring our right leg out to the corner of the mat, and we're just gonna move your hips gently to the right side, and then touching your knee. You can massage your knee, say good morning to your knee, good morning to your quad, good morning to your shins, and good morning to your ankle. Our body does a lot for us, so this is a good way to practice some self-love and some awareness in your body. Where is the soreness? Where is the tightness? My tightness is right here. So I'm just going to breathe into the space of my tightness. So it's all in my quad, all in the back, in the hamstring. Breathe, breathe, breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. The breath will open up the space and send in new oxygen, so that way the blood can flow in even better. So where is your soreness on this right side? Just take a conscious breath, come back to center, move and shake out your shoulders, come back to neutral, and then just switch sides, taking the opposite foot to the opposite corner of the mat. So once again, just staying neutral and then just gently turning over and then bending, saying hello to our knee, hello to our quad, hello to our hip and our shin and the ankle. You can flex your foot for more engagement, so that way you can really activate the leg and see where the soreness is. Breathe in and breathe out. Good. Then we're going to just sit, bringing our right knee closer and taking the left leg on top of it. So if you want, you can put a pillow under your bum, so you can just elevate the hips to support the low back. And then as we're here, we're just going to take our hands and then just wake up our neck and our shoulders by giving a gentle squeeze, a gentle massage. Seeing where the tensions are held, any knots. How does the neck feel? Are you having a headache right now? Do you feel good? How is your morning? You can massage in between the ears, squeeze the ears a little bit, then move up to your scalp. Just really get some pressure points in to the scalp. You can maybe tug on your hair. If you don't have any hair, then just keep massaging your scalp. But this feels really nice if you have long hair and if you keep it up in a ponytail. Just lifting the hairs gently with a little clump. Good. And then let's bring our right neck side over, just gently putting pressure on our head. If you can gaze down to the corner of your mat on the left side, or you can also look up. Notice where you are, notice what you're feeling. Come back to neutral and let's look down and look up. Look down and look up. Nice. And then switching sides. First gazing down to the floor, and then you can slowly start to gaze up to the sky. What do you see on this side? I see a palm tree, a few clouds moving. All things that really ground me. So I hope you are too, surrounded by what grounds you. And if not, how can you bring more elements into your home that would ground you? Would it be buying a plant, having a photo of the ocean? What would bring you more peace? And back to center. Let's look down and look up. Your leg is probably tired, so we're gonna just shake it out, move to the left and to the right, and then we're gonna switch the sides. So bring the left in and then the right over. Getting yourself comfortable. Maybe you need to just move some of your flesh out of your butt and just sink into it. And let's massage those ankles again, getting them ready for the day. Good. And then let's bring our shoulders up, shoulders back, and chest up. Move them a little bit again, maybe more in a dancey motion. Just opening up the channel of our breath, of our chest. Sometimes when we feel knots in our chest and can't really breathe too well, so moving the shoulders in a fun motion will get you breathing more clearly. And then let's bring the arms up over the head. And let's bring the right down and then gently push onto the elbow. And then as you're here, you can also massage the left shoulder. Just really digging into those knots, that self-awareness of the body, of how you feel. Good. Let's bring them down, up again, and switch sides. Which side is more tense? Which side is more sore? Notice. Just bring awareness. And there's no right or wrong answer. And come back and bring your arms behind you. Look up to the sky. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Very good. And then gently let's lower ourselves down. Just going a little bit deeper into the stretch. And as you exhale, see if you can go a little bit further. Inhale and exhale. Reach a little bit further. You got it. Come back to center and let's windshield those legs like we're sweeping away what's right in front of us, so that way we can see more clearly. And let's roll to our stomach into a baby cobra. Look up and look down. Bring the shoulders back. Make sure you're not slouching. Really engage in the upper back. And again, just breathe. What do you smell? What's around you? Good. In through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And let's bring your right leg in and then the left. Just alternating here gently, noticing how the back of our quads feel. Noticing how the knee feels in this position. Just bringing awareness, and then you can grab the ankle and just bring the knee, the foot closer to your butt. Breathe in and breathe out. And then you're just gonna take the leg and then bring it out so you can open up the chest here. Breathe in and breathe out. So we're also opening up the upper back, noticing any tightness. And have your right arm down for support. You're also engaging through that arm, pushing yourself up. Good. We're going to switch sides. So placing the left down, reaching for the back ankle, bringing it closer to the bum. And then you're just going to push out. Push through the chest. Push through the forearm. You can point your toe for further activation. Noticing how this side feels. Is it more open? Is it less? If the pain is too much, then come back to more of a neutral stance. If you want to go further, maybe you can even push up through the arm. But the forearm is great for the morning. Breathe in and breathe out. And come back to neutral. Let's just place our forehead onto the ground. And give gratitude to your stomach. Give gratitude for your digestion, for your organs, for all of the abdominal organs that support you throughout the day. I'm going to thank our core. Just being grateful that today is a new day. Today we welcome the new. Then you're going to just push yourself to a child's pose. And again, just thanking the body for this new opportunity. Thanking yourself that you made it to the mat, that you made it here with me. And as we come to a completion for our sunrise flow, our body is more awake, our body is ready to begin today. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Let's go into a seated position again. Just like how we started, bring our hands up over the head and bring them down. And thank you for practicing with me. I hope you have a beautiful morning. Be sure to like, subscribe, and watch some more videos. So if your body is more open, then I'll link some videos for you to keep watching and to keep going, or just watch the next one that's about to come up. So enjoy your day again. Aloha.